At Greenfiber, our goal is to help stop global warming and climate change. Did you know the insulation you choose for your home or building can have an impact on its carbon footprint? Follow our journey to see how Sanctuary Cellulose Insulation works to help reduce carbon emissions that contribute to global warming. Let's start with the trees, where paper products come from. During photosynthesis, living trees lock in carbon. Cut down or fallen trees left to rot release carbon dioxide, or CO2, into the atmosphere. But when trees are converted into paper for products, the carbon becomes locked in. Meanwhile, paper products that get sent to landfills are left to release CO2. So by using recycled paper to make sanctuary insulation for attics, walls, and floors, the carbon is kept locked in. In fact, Greenfiber diverts about 277,000 tons of paper from landfills every year. That's the equivalent of 157,000 acres of forest. We're also taking steps to reduce carbon emissions by using electric-powered manufacturing facilities to produce our insulation products. And by distributing regionally, we're working to reduce emissions from transportation. And here's where your home or building plays a part in helping to reduce carbon emissions. When you specify sanctuary insulation, you're locking up carbon for the lifetime of your home. That's about 1.34 tons of CO2. The equivalent to planting 3,600 trees. While conventional insulations release carbon dioxide, Sanctuary has the ability to store carbon, reducing the emission of CO2 in the atmosphere. Today, the world needs to work together to fight climate change, so we invite you to join Greenfiber in our Carbon Capture Challenge. When you're choosing insulation for your home or building, go with Sanctuary. Your planet will thank you. Learn how you can help your clients make their home more sustainable and meet your carbon reduction goals with Sanctuary Cellulose Insulation.